everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're talking about the 2019 Quilters Planner. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to click the little dinger button. This will give you alerts every time I upload a new video. So almost a year ago, I did a review on the Quilters Planner 2018, and it was such a huge success for me personally that I asked if I could do another review for 2019 and see all the differences and introduce them to you. For me, it was really exciting because I had a chance to do the review, actually use the product for almost an entire year and learn what I really liked about it. And it's so interesting, the things that I really liked about it continued into the next version, and some of the things that I was kind of like, on the fence about actually did get changed. So obviously there was lots of feedback from the customers, and I just am excited to share with you the new 2019 Quilters Planner. First off, take a look at this gorgeous box. It says best year ever, and inside is a little welcome sheet. And then first thing, you got a gift. It is this beautiful pillow top English paper piecing set. Let's take a closer look at it. All the pieces are pre-cut and the instructions are all ready for you to go. If you want to learn more about English paper piecing, I've got a couple of videos that I've done in the past that explain exactly how to do it and some wonderful other notions to help you be very successful at it. Now on to the good stuff here. We've got our Quilters Planner, and it is beautiful. It's got a gorgeous cover to it, and then of course the Quilters magazine, which we'll take a look at in a minute. But this year there are two options for 2019. So I had to decide which one do I want to actually use and which do I want to give to a friend. So I chose this one here, and it's just beautiful. And let's go ahead and flip through all the information that you've got. The very first is a beautiful welcome page, and then you go right into the calendar, plotting out your year, your goals. These are things that I really used last year. I love the tabs, they're nice and big. And then of course I wanted to zoom in and show you some of the things I really appreciated about my calendar for 2018, my weekly goals. Now, big change. Last year it was Monday through Sunday. This year it is Sunday through Saturday. So that's going to take some getting used to for myself. I kind of got used to doing those, but it's okay. It's really cool. I'll get used to it with no problem. I really do enjoy the daily trackers or the weekly trackers. I used it for water drinking and exercise. Flipping through all the months, you've got tons of beautiful things in each month. In the Patterns tab, you've got all kinds of pages pre-printed with grids, dots, triangles, and hexagons, so you can really start creating your own quilts. Check it out. And then going into the Projects tab, oh my, last year I totally used this. I laid out all of my projects that were big and due dates, and it was fantastic to keep everything in one spot, organized. So even if you're just making quilts for the holidays, this is a great place to keep it all stored. And new, we've got a swap planner. And I know a lot of you love doing these swap groups for projects, so this is great. And the next tab is references. And no matter your skill level, it's always nice to have a reference of cutting estimators and color graphs and how to really get things cut precisely. And then last but not least, you've got a beautiful section of stickers. Really nicely done this year. Even ones for birthdays and holidays, and of course, that back pocket. Now let's take a look at the Quilters Planner magazine. This is where all the projects that you can create are living. And here are the block of the month patterns. And then you've got your projects that were designed by all the creators in the Quilters Planner 2019. Just take a look at some of these beautiful projects. If you just take a look at all the projects alone and you just put a value of, let's say, $10, you've got well over $150 worth of projects that are beautiful that come with this planner. Oh, and there's the pillow that you can use your English paper piecing blocks with. This one's a favorite. And this one is designed by Kate Colleran of Seems Like a Dream. I actually did a review on one of her notions, so check it out here. Basically, you get a beautiful magazine filled with projects and the Quilters Planner 2019. Which one will you choose? This is mine. So what did you think? I have to tell you that I'm really excited about both of the new covers and some of the stickers and some of those added bonuses that we didn't have last year. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. And of course, for your chance to win one of your very own Quilters planners, go ahead and leave the comments below what you plan on doing this year that you need the extra organization for. And now you're probably wondering, where can you get your very own Quilters Planner 2019? Well, I've got a few links below, but of course I always encourage you to support the original designer, so her website's also in the description below. And you're probably now wondering, how much does the Quilters Planner 2019 retail for? Well, it retails for $48.95. And if you're like myself and you are a social butterfly, go ahead and follow me. I'm over at Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I post daily all kinds of behind the scenes things, activities, new projects that I'm working on. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you happen to be on Facebook, we have a Facebook fan club. It's the Suaveri Designs fan club, and again, it's a great place for my fans to post pictures of things they're working on, talk about new ideas that I have. I love getting feedback from you all, so please go and find the link in the description below and come and join us. And do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe below, click the little dinger, and give me a great big thumbs up. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye! If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye!